Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be doing another crochet braid video for you guys today. This one, sis, I mean, it's giving. Like, I'm loving this bob. Like, this is just so cute for the holiday season. So thank you so much to Toyotress for sponsoring today's video. So you guys, they sent me the Oceanwave hair. So this is what the little stock card looks like. It's their Oceanwave hair in 14 inches, and this is the color 1B. So it comes in this pack. I'm going to show y'all me unboxing it and everything, but it comes in this pack right here, and you're going to get 8 of these little bundles. So I used 7, like 6.5-ish. So let me show y'all just so you can see how it comes. So it's going to be on this little thing, and then you can just cut this, and each piece is just looped. So you get all of these in one pack. So like I said, I used about 7 of them, and my hair is really nice and full. I did cut it, so it comes in 14 inches, so it's longer, like maybe like down here or so, but I wanted like more of a bob look. I thought I was gonna keep it the full length, but after I installed it, I just snipped a little, and then I like snipped a little bit more, and then I was like, let's just make it a bob. So I think it's super cute like this. It's really giving remedy curl. If y'all have not seen that video on my channel, that is like a really like highly viewed video on my channel. It has like over 100,000 views, I think, and that's what it reminds me of. It's bomb. Like, it's so cute. So you guys know, for my braiding pattern, I do 14 braids, so 14 cornrows going straight back. I did not crisscross the middle or anything this time. I did split each piece of hair in half. So this is one, and I literally just took this and split it in half, and I did that for my whole head. You can of course install it just as it comes in the one single piece, but that's just kind of a lot to me. I split all of my crochet braid hair, and this splits really nicely because it's a looser curl pattern. You don't really get a lot of snagging. It doesn't really, you know, like with some of the other patterns, like you try to pull it apart and then it like gets stuck in the middle because it's such a tight curl. This, you don't have any problem. So super easy to split that. And the hair is very soft, y'all. It's very, very soft. It is like a yucky texture on the natural side, but it's not coarse. You guys can see that it's shiny, it's soft. I really like it. Oh, so y'all can see, let me hold it up. So this is how long it is. So it stretches all the way down to my waist. But if you keep it at the 14 inches, it'll be this long. So super cute. And I think it comes in shorter lengths as well. I believe 14 inches is the longest one, but I think they might have like a 10 or like an 8 or something like that, if you guys are interested in that. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So let's just go ahead and jump right into me unboxing and installing the hair. Okay guys, so that was the installation process. Hopefully it was super helpful for you guys. If you are wondering about this tool right here, this is a jewelry beater. Let me show you. It looks like this. You guys can get this from Walmart, Michael's. I actually got mine from the beauty supply store, so sometimes they have them depending on, you know, which one you go to, if the one in your area carries it or not, but I have seen them there. But this will be in the jewelry section. So this is a beader, like you literally put beads on this to string onto like braids and stuff, but it's really, really great for crochet because it doesn't give me any snagging, unlike the latch hook, which they sent one in here, but you guys know if you've been to my channel before, I don't use the latch hook. Okay, no latch hook over here. We use this beater. And I will link a video or like two in the description box down below of a slow motion me using this tool in real time. And you guys should get the gist of how to use it, but it's super easy. And you guys probably also saw that I did a little bit of a different technique in the front. So I actually saw a video on Instagram of a hairstylist doing this, but she actually took the crochet hair and braided it into the cornrow. So it's like, picture like me and then your hairstylist styling it or doing the crochet. And so she was, the person who's getting their hair done was like holding the hair like this. And then the hairstylist actually took the crochet hair and braided it into the cornrow. And I was like, ooh, okay. Yes, but no. Yes, because I love the seamless look in the front without the knots, but no, because I don't want to have to like try to braid the crochet hair into my hair. And then I braided my hair down like a week before I even installed this style because I was doing wigs and stuff. And I was just like, that's not gonna work for me. But you guys saw the technique that I did. So I literally took this beater, inserted it through my cornrow vertically, and then pulled it through and then just, you know, tied the knot here, and then it just flips up. So you don't have any knots in the front. So let me just show y'all. Oh, and let me also say that this hair is a week old. So I wore this hair for Thanksgiving. I installed this hair like last week, the installation portion, everything, but I was just so busy with like family and everything else that I did not have time to film the intro for this video. So here we are 1 week later, sis. So if you're liking how the hair looks, just know that I've already had it in for a week and it looks popping. Okay, so yeah. Oh, but let me show you guys how it looks in the front. I think it looks so much better than having those knots in the front. The only thing that I want to do next time is insert this like further back. So when I inserted it, my knots are still fairly close to the front of my head. I want my knots to be like back here. So I'm just gonna this is a very long tool, so I can literally slide this pretty far like up and then do the same method but have the knot, you know, like back here, so it's not like as close to the perimeter of my head, if that makes sense. I'm sure if you guys watched me install it, then that should make sense to you. Instead of me only inserting it a little bit, I'm gonna insert it back here so that the knot can be back here. But yeah, I think the hair looks so good. Guys, let me know if you want like a 2-week update on this. I'll probably only wear it for about another week or so, so if you guys want me to do a 2-week update, definitely comment down below and let me know so I can do that for you guys. But it's giving very much everything. Okay, I really love it. And as far as maintenance goes, I've been twisting it at night. Normally with this type of crochet hair, I don't, or like I wouldn't twist it at night, but it was getting frizzy like in my bonnet. So like the first night I just put my scarf on and like my bonnet and just went to sleep, and I noticed it was just really frizzy the next morning. So I figured by twisting it at night that would help to keep it together. So it is short, but I do maybe like 6 or so, just 2-strand twist, and I just tie the end. So I just put a little ponytail holder or something, like two twists together, and then just put a little ponytail holder on the end, and it works out great so that the twists don't come undone while I'm sleeping. So that has worked really well. I have also been spraying some of my Cantu Shine and Hold Mist as well. You guys know I love the Cantu Shine and Hold Mist for crochet. Like, it's always a vibe. Like, it makes your hair smell really good. It helps with the frizz. So after I experienced that the first night, I went ahead and sprayed the Cantu mist and then twisted it, and then that's what I've been doing ever since. So I twist it every night. I spray the mist when I feel like spraying it. But yeah, love it. Works great on this hair. So that is how you're going to be maintaining it. That should be like your nighttime sleep routine for that. And yes, I think that is pretty much it, you guys. I don't really have anything else to say about this hair. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. I love this ocean wave pattern. Yeah, that's it. So thank you so much to Toyotress for sponsoring today's video, and let me know if you guys have any questions about the hair. Don't forget to check the description box down below for video on how to use this. Okay, I will also link my crochet braid playlist as well as Remedy Curl if you guys are looking for a comparison between the two. They look very similar. However, I haven't worn Remedy Curl. I think that video is probably like 2 years old. So just the pattern looks the same, but I really can't say for like the texture and everything because it's been so long. But yes, of course I will have this link. Of course I will have this hair linked in the description box down below as well, so you guys can purchase it there. And yes, let me know if you want a 2-week update. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe on your way out, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.